friend mami Obadie. Hey, Obadie. Well, Dwaso Nsem on Adom 106.3 with Omanhene Kwabena Asante. Right after headlines, the big one, Bebrel, and it's going to be interesting about it saying. I see.
Yeah, but come on.
I just wanted you to have a feel of Iowa. Obadie Medasi. Numbers of Motoka. Yeah, the trading point Yankopona the Nenswache and then Wednesday, September 11, 2019. Dwaso Nsem on Adom 106.3 with Omanhene Kwabena Asante. Yeah, tena kopim say non do bebo na fe the black eye abeto adwumadi so ha ede amaim. Well, my main king can say na no pay do bokata ato dwano etifini 7 me de bro. Na fe ya jebrene akona poso na fe penfo so atena se ewie de bokata no pepe na see the big one no be share the big story no ya de bro dom kuma no won apro bi a won call my Ghana mu efa ene ayaresabia hodo na wonu susue mu ne wonu ntiase mu no wonu sisi aban awosui wajano asawram. The Chronicle the broadcaster say police acquit Nigerian kidnapping suspect, say he was wrongly accused and beaten, and I killed the 2 policemen at Kaswa. My earlier statement was a lie. I did not know what came over me to commit the crime. Wow. Suspect Anna Akase. If I cast once and 7, the Chronicle the broadcaster and I reported something with the Daily Graphic saying easy to reduce voting time. It will allow early collation of results. Hey, Tigo. Now what is that story? Easy na kasa. Say they are reducing voting time. Ebeboa na ye collecting results into any credit. Easy na kasa na say. And I say I say misa na say. But Daily Graphic na kan say easy to reduce voting time. It will allow early collation of results. And Chirimo on the abandon. It comes with a photograph of Mrs. Jane Mensah, chairperson, EC. And Speaker defends Ghana beyond aid policy. Finance Ministry to release 50 million Ghana city to teachers transfer grants. And once them, I had him say. The Daily Statesman, 300,000 BEC holders get school placements. And I am better than Eric Opoku. General Mosquito steps up lobbying for NDC running mates. Wow. So running mate photographs here. Johnson the Sidun Ketia. Wow, for the first time, Bono Formiensa, Bono Hafu Formiensa. Johnson the Sidun Ketia, Lordina Mahama, and Eric Opoku. Omu top place probabilities for the running mate for John Dramani Mahama. Johnson the Sidun Ketia, Eric Opoku, and Lordina Mahama. So the Daily Statesman also there or there. As another now try and say, hey, Nipa and China Shebra so be mindful of how I would say or Sinti be pabet me free Nazareth abana Christo say I be bet me free. I don't kuma mamunsru a home for you na me church this year. The Daily Searchlight say unapproved fees, headmistress locked up by angry Kaswa residents. And once the Daily Searchlight so there Ken Crunchy, it's been a while. And 2019 Hajj, last batch of pilgrims arrived safely. Yeah, the Allah said this one was on a quiet note. Yeah, and chief butchered by mob. Oh, that's sad story. Very unfortunate. Madman gruesomely murders and burns landlord at Dansuman. Whoa. The inside say farmers. Okay. The inside say. Some say the Hassan Yano know. The inside say farmers suffering as tons of maize run away for lack of buyers. Inside the Obakata, the Okano say ni Buraho do a one pro esekwa. The inside the Obakata so the aba I don't know. And I feel could do the informal the Obakata anymore. I'll say na post presidential ambition in limbo as Unity Hall curses him. Nenos really here. Information will help you. And corruption in the Akufo-Addo's government, clearing agent clears himself. It comes with photographs of Ejeni Mboaten Ejei, suspended PPA CEO. Again, you get the Yenya Aishu say Pius Enam Fofo Hajide, and then Kwame Usu, ex-Ghana Maritime Authority boss. One for you, say. Yeah, do the Herald Dobokata. So the Herald Dobokata so say government team on PDS detects fraud at Downwell Insurance. And also want some more photographs. Martin Eson Benjamin, Philip Ayusu, Justice Yaofori, Godfred Dame, and Ambrose Derry. One for you, and the FDA bust orders of expired energy drink and dismiss NYA bosses to collect end of service benefits. And once I want to say, you win the crack of the Ghanaian Times, and I did page say Ghanaian Times say Ghana Beyond Aid saga. Professor Okoye defense president. My first day at school marked in Accra. And once I want to say, and NDC flays government for failing corruption fight. The Ghanaian Times and so on. I want to say,